I am Rocky Rostern. I work for Southern Oregon Subaru as the Digital Media Manager and our Community Projects Coordinator. One of the Subaru Loves programs is Subaru Loves the Earth, and during that program Subaru supports all kinds of organizations that deal with climate change and reforestation and all the different kinds of things that help our Earth get healthier. We are here today to give away plants to people as part of our Subaru Loves the Earth project. This is the 4th year in a row that Southern Oregon Subaru has participated in Earth Day. We buy plants from the Shooting Star Nursery in Central Point, and we give them away to very many happy people here. There's 8 different local plants, all natives and all perennials and all pollinator attractors. And the folks that come by here absolutely love us for it.